Hey everyone, Brandon here, and today I am at Pinehurst on Providence, and I have a very special video for you. So we are going to do an outdoor amenity tour. So one of my favorite things about Pinehurst is that there are so many things to do outside. Now, in traditional apartments and townhomes, you have a lot of indoor amenities, but here we actually have quite a bit of things to do under the sun. So let's go check it out. So the first amenity we are going to show off is our very own playground. So when you move into Pinehurst, whether you're single, you're a couple, whether you have kids or don't have kids, we have something for everyone here. You can see this has some swings. Nice little fort up there that's very shady. I would love to actually go up there right now if I could. And a slide along the side. So again, this is our playground. So we'll move right along. Next to the playground, we have a soccer field with 2 goals. So for all my athletes out there, you will love having your very own goal in your backyard. Sticking with the fitness theme, we have an outdoor volleyball court with sand. I've seen quite a few volleyball courts and a lot of them just stick with the grass, but here we actually incorporated the sand as well. You can see that's the direction we came from. So right next to the volleyball court, we have an Olympic-sized pool. Check it out. Very large. And all alongside the pool, there are plenty of places just to relax and hang out in this beautiful sunshine. And you can't really, oh, sorry. And if you can look all the way back there, we actually have another little wading pool in that corner. And again, this is an Olympic-sized pool. We also have some outdoor cabanas with the charcoal grills. And a little area right here to play some of those old school concrete games. Hopscotch, Foursquare, and just tons of other things. And last, but certainly not least, we have a dog park in the back corner here with a tiny agility obstacle right in the middle. So we are a pet-friendly community and we welcome your furry friends. So again, that concludes the tour, the outdoor amenity tour of Pinehurst on Providence. If you want to check these out for yourself, visit our website or just schedule a tour and see us in person.